Welcome. Today we're exploring the fascinating structure of philosophy. Philosophy isn't just abstract thinking, it's a well-organized field divided into core branches based on the types of questions asked. From the nature of existence to the values we hold, philosophy provides a framework for understanding the world and our place in it. In this video, we'll walk through the main branches, starting from the most foundational questions about being, moving through knowledge, reasoning, and values, and ending with how these ideas are applied. Let's begin our journey into the hierarchy of philosophical thought. Philosophy is often structured like a ladder, with each branch building on the previous one. At the base we find ontology, which asks what exists. Next comes epistemology, focusing on knowledge. Logic provides the structure for reasoning, while axiology explores values. Finally, methods and applications show how philosophy impacts real life. This hierarchy helps philosophers tackle complex questions in a systematic way, ensuring that each level supports the next. Understanding this structure is key to grasping how philosophical inquiry works. Start with ontology, the foundational branch of philosophy. Ontology is all about being. It asks, what exists, and what is the nature of reality? Philosophers in this field debate whether reality is purely physical, purely mental, or a mix of both. They also explore questions about identity, change, time, and space. Ontology is crucial because it underpins all other philosophical branches. Before we can talk about knowledge or values, we need to agree on what actually exists. This makes ontology the bedrock of philosophical thought. Ontology raises some of the deepest questions in philosophy. What does it mean to be? Are there only physical things, or do abstract and mental entities exist too? Philosophers also ask whether universals like beauty or justice exist independently of our minds. The debate between reality and appearance is central here. How do we know if what we see is real? Ontology also examines substance, identity, and the nature of change over time. These questions set the stage for all further philosophical inquiry. Ontology isn't just theoretical, it shapes every other branch of philosophy. For example, before we can discuss what we know or what is valuable, we must first decide what exists. If we believe only physical things are real, that changes how we approach knowledge and values. Ontology also influences debates about time, space, and identity, which ripple through other philosophical discussions. In short, ontology provides the assumptions that all other branches build upon. Moving up the hierarchy, we reach epistemology, the branch that asks, how do we know, and what counts as knowledge? Epistemology explores the difference between knowledge, belief, and opinion. It also investigates the sources of knowledge, such as reason, experience, intuition, and testimony. This branch is essential for understanding how we justify our beliefs and what it means to truly know something. Epistemology depends on ontology, since what exists determines what can be known. Epistemology tackles some challenging questions. Can we know reality as it truly is? Is knowledge objective, or does it depend on our perspective? What makes a belief justified? Philosophers also examine the limits of human knowledge. Are there things we simply cannot know? These questions help us understand the difference between mere opinion and well-founded knowledge. By clarifying what counts as knowledge, epistemology shapes how we approach learning and truth. Where does our knowledge come from? Epistemology identifies several sources: reason, experience, intuition, and testimony. Reason involves logical thinking and deduction. Experience is based on what we observe and sense. Intuition is a kind of immediate understanding, while testimony relies on what others tell us. Each source has its strengths and weaknesses, and philosophers debate which is most reliable. Understanding these sources helps us evaluate the quality of our belief. Epistemology is closely linked to ontology. What exists in the world determines what we can know about it. For example, if only physical things exist, then our knowledge will be limited to what we can observe or measure. If abstract entities exist, like numbers or moral values, then knowledge might also come from reason or intuition. This connection shows how the branches of philosophy support and shape each other. Next, we have logic, the branch that studies correct reasoning. Logic asks, how should we reason, and what makes an argument valid? It provides the tools we use to evaluate arguments, spot fallacies, and draw conclusions from evidence. Logic is essential for making sense of complex ideas and ensuring our beliefs are well-founded. It supports epistemology by helping us determine which beliefs are justified. Logic introduces several important concepts. First, it distinguishes between valid and invalid arguments. A valid argument is one where the conclusion follows logically from the premises. Logic also covers deductive reasoning, where conclusions are certain, and inductive reasoning, where conclusions are probable. Fallacies, errors in reasoning are another key topic. By understanding these concepts, we can better analyze and construct strong arguments. Logic also examines the structure of propositions and how inferences are made. A proposition is a statement that can be true or false. Logic studies how propositions combine to form arguments and how conclusions are drawn from premises. This structure is vital for clear thinking and effective communication. By mastering the structure of propositions, we improve our ability to reason and persuade. Logic is more than just a tool for argument, it's the backbone of philosophical reasoning. By providing clear rules for thinking, logic helps philosophers evaluate truth claims and justify beliefs. It also helps prevent errors and misunderstandings. Logic's influence extends beyond philosophy, shaping fields like mathematics, computer science, and law. Its principles are essential for any rigorous intellectual inquiry. Now we arrive at axiology, the branch of philosophy that asks, what is valuable, and what should matter? Axiology explores the nature of values, including moral, aesthetic, and other types of worth. It's divided into two major areas: ethics, which deals with right and wrong, and aesthetics, which deals with beauty and taste. Axiology helps us understand what we should strive for and why certain things are considered good or bad. Ethics, a major branch of axiology, focuses on questions of right and wrong, good and bad, and moral responsibility. Philosophers in this field debate what makes actions just or unjust and what duties we have to others. Ethics also examines concepts like justice, duty, and virtue. These discussions shape our understanding of moral responsibility and guide our decisions in everyday life. Aesthetics is the other main branch of axiology. It explores questions about beauty, art, and taste. What makes something beautiful? Is beauty subjective or objective? Aesthetics also considers the value of art and the role of creativity in human life. These questions help us appreciate the richness of human experience and the importance of culture. Axiology builds on the foundations laid by ontology, epistemology, and logic. Before we can decide what is valuable, we need to know what exists and how we know it. Axiology then helps us determine what is worth pursuing or protecting. Its insights influence ethics, politics, art, and even economics, making it a vital part of philosophical inquiry. Ethics includes several major theories. Utilitarianism judges actions by their consequences. What brings the most happiness? Deontology focuses on duties and rules regardless of outcomes. Virtue ethics emphasizes character and the cultivation of good habits. Each theory offers a different perspective on what makes actions right or wrong, and philosophers often debate which approach is best. Ethical theories aren't just academic, they influence our daily choices. From deciding whether to tell the truth to considering how our actions affect others, ethics guides our behavior. It also shapes laws, social norms, and public policies. By reflecting on ethical principles, we become more thoughtful and responsible members of society. Justice is a central concern in ethics. Philosophers ask what makes a society fair and how resources should be distributed. Moral responsibility is also key. When are we accountable for our actions? These questions help us think critically about laws, punishment, and social systems. By examining justice and responsibility, ethics provides a foundation for building better communities. Aesthetics goes beyond beauty to explore the meaning and value of art. Philosophers ask what makes something a work of art and how art influences our emotions and understanding. They also debate whether art should have a purpose or simply exist for enjoyment. These discussions enrich our appreciation of culture and creativity. Key debate in aesthetics is whether beauty is subjective or objective. Some argue that beauty is in the eye of the beholder, while others believe certain standards of beauty exist independently of our opinions. This debate shapes how we judge art, music, and even everyday experiences. Understanding subjectivity helps us appreciate diverse perspectives on beauty. Axiology's influence extends far beyond philosophy. Its questions about value shape our approach to politics, education, and personal relationships. By examining what matters most, axiology helps us set priorities and make meaningful choices. Its insights are essential for living a thoughtful and fulfilling life. Beyond the core branches, philosophy also considers methods, how we approach philosophical questions. Methods include analysis, argumentation, and critical thinking. Philosophers use these tools to clarify concepts, test ideas, and resolve disagreements. The choice of method can shape the direction and outcome of philosophical debates. Analysis is a key method in philosophy. It involves breaking down complex ideas into simpler parts to better understand them. Philosophers analyze concepts like justice, knowledge, and beauty to clarify their meanings and implications. This method helps avoid confusion and ensures that debates are based on clear definitions. Argumentation is another essential method. Philosophers construct arguments to support their views and challenge opposing positions. Good arguments are logical, clear, and well supported by evidence. By engaging in argumentation, philosophers test the strength of their ideas and refine their positions. This process is central to philosophical progress. Critical thinking is vital in philosophy. It involves questioning assumptions, evaluating evidence, and considering alternative viewpoints. Philosophers use critical thinking to avoid bias and make more objective judgments. These skills are valuable not only in philosophy but in everyday decision-making as well. Philosophy isn't just theoretical, it has practical applications. Philosophical methods are used in law, science, politics, and everyday life. By applying philosophical reasoning, we can solve problems, make better decisions, and understand complex issues. Philosophy's impact is felt in everything from ethical debates to scientific discoveries. Science and philosophy are closely linked. Philosophers help clarify scientific concepts, question assumptions, and evaluate evidence. They also explore the limits of scientific knowledge and the ethical implications of new technologies. By working together, science and philosophy advance our understanding of the world. Law relies on philosophical principles, especially in areas like justice, rights, and responsibility. Philosophers help define what is fair and just, and their ideas shape legal systems around the world. By applying ethical theories and logical reasoning, philosophy provides a foundation for creating and interpreting laws. Political philosophy examines the nature of government, rights, and justice. Philosophers debate what makes a society just, how power should be distributed, and what rights individuals should have. Their ideas influence political systems, policies, and debates about freedom and equality. Philosophy isn't just for academics, it's relevant to everyone. We use philosophical thinking when we question our beliefs, make ethical choices, or seek meaning in life. By reflecting on philosophical questions, we become more thoughtful, open-minded, and resilient. Philosophy helps us navigate life's challenges with wisdom and clarity. Branches of philosophy are deeply interconnected. Ontology shapes what we can know, epistemology guides how we know it, logic structures our reasoning, and axiology helps us decide what matters. Methods tie everything together, ensuring that philosophical inquiry is rigorous and meaningful. This interconnectedness makes philosophy a powerful tool for understanding the world. Philosophy has a rich history, evolving over thousands of years. Ancient philosophers like Plato and Aristotle laid the groundwork for ontology, epistemology, and ethics. Over time, new branches and methods emerged, reflecting changes in society and knowledge. Today, philosophy continues to grow, addressing new questions and challenges. Philosophy interacts with many other fields, including science, art, literature, and religion. Philosophers help clarify concepts, resolve conflicts, and explore the implications of new discoveries. This cross-disciplinary approach enriches both philosophy and the fields it engages with, leading to deeper understanding and innovation. In our rapidly changing world, philosophy is more relevant than ever. It helps us navigate ethical dilemmas, technological advances, and social changes. By encouraging critical thinking and open-mindedness, philosophy prepares us to face the challenges of the future with confidence and wisdom. Learning philosophy is a rewarding journey. It teaches us to think deeply, question assumptions, and appreciate different perspectives. Whether you're interested in science, art, politics, or everyday life, philosophy offers valuable insights and skills. By studying philosophy, we become more thoughtful and engaged citizens. Some philosophical questions have been debated for centuries. What is the meaning of life? Do we have free will? What is truth? These enduring questions continue to inspire new generations of thinkers. By engaging with them, we connect with a long tradition of inquiry and discovery. Philosophy isn't just about abstract ideas, it's about personal growth. By reflecting on philosophical questions, we develop self-awareness, empathy, and resilience. Philosophy encourages us to live authentically and pursue meaningful goals. Its lessons can guide us through life's challenges and help us become our best selves. Studying philosophy has many practical benefits. It improves our reasoning, communication, and problem-solving skills. These abilities are valuable in any career or life situation. Philosophy also helps us make better decisions, understand others, and adapt to change. Its practical value is as important as its theoretical insights. Philosophy fosters a sense of community by encouraging dialogue and mutual understanding. Philosophers often work together to solve problems and explore new ideas. This spirit of collaboration enriches both individuals and society, promoting respect, tolerance, and shared progress. Philosophy is a global enterprise with contributions from every culture and tradition. From ancient Greece to modern Asia, philosophers have shaped the way we think about existence, knowledge, and values. This diversity enriches philosophy and ensures its continued relevance in a changing world. As we look to the future, philosophy will continue to play a vital role. New technologies, social changes, and global challenges require thoughtful analysis and ethical guidance. Philosophy equips us to face these challenges with wisdom, creativity, and a commitment to truth and justice. Sum up, philosophy is organized into core branches: ontology, epistemology, logic, and axiology, each addressing different types of questions. These branches are interconnected, forming a hierarchy that supports rigorous inquiry and practical application. By understanding this structure, we gain a deeper appreciation for the power and relevance of philosophical thinking. Philosophy invites us to ask big questions, think deeply, and seek understanding. Its branches provide a roadmap for exploring existence, knowledge, reasoning, and values. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply curious about life, philosophy offers tools for personal growth and social progress. Embracing philosophical thinking enriches our lives and helps us build a better world.